The team was first formed in 1983 by myself and Ellen, my wife, and is made entirely of volunteers from the training class. Many of the dogs have overcome psychological and behavioural problems, and the team is now recognised as Britain's leading dog demonstration team. The dogs perform amazing stunts and take the audience through the progressive stages of training using a varied and entertaining programme, all choreographed to music. The display team has performed all over Great Britain, including the Channel Islands, and over the last 6 years the team has demonstrated their amazing skills at the NEC Crufts Dog Show in Birmingham. The show culminates in an exciting agility relay race with 2 teams racing against the clock and the audience cheering on their chosen team. Truly a show not to be missed.